Hi, and welcome to this second part of this video on constructions.
Okay, quite a similar question here to the previous one actually. So we're being asked to show inside the grid all of the region, that's less than 4 centimeters from A and nearer to B than C. It's very similar to that last one. So essentially what we've got to do is set our compass at 4 centimeters. So currently it's about 3 from the last question. There we're at 4 centimeters. So we're doing distance from a specific point here. So we need to draw a nice little arc around like that. There you go. So everything inside this arc here, sort of from to the right of my hand there, is less than 4 centimeters from A. Then we've got to do nearer to B than C. Well, if we look at that, that is, what is it? Oh, it's exactly 6 centimeters away. So it's about exactly 6. Yeah, it's about 6.1. So I'm going to set it about 3.5 centimeters actually. I think I'll just do it maybe slightly less than the 4. I mean, you could still leave it at 4 if you want to. So pop that there. Then I'm going to draw some arcs here to construct a perpendicular bisector of this. So I'll do an arc there above B, above that line. Another arc down here. I need to make sure that I keep my compass the exact same distance away. I'm going to do it there like that, and there like that at the bottom there. And then I just need to draw a line through those 2 points there. And everything along that line should be the same distance from B as it is from A. So if I want to test that out, it should be about the 3 centimeter point there for the line from those particular distances, which it is. If you want to take another point on the line, you can always do that if you want. So if we take this one up here, so that one is obviously a bit further away. So that one's about 5.5 centimeters there. Should be about 5.5 from B as well, which, as you can see, it is. So the region we're looking for here then is going to be in this little area here. It's got to be above that line, and it's got to be within inside that circle. Okay. Okay, so this next question then says construct a locus of points which are the same distance from points A and B. So that means basically a line which shows us lots of points that are the same distance from both of them. Okay, so I've already set my compass to more than half the distance. It's about 8.5 centimeters between these two lines. So I've set this at 4.5. That's half of 9. So I'm going to draw a full arc here from A, sort of above and below those 2 points. Sorry, it's hard to do this without getting my hand in the way. And then if I do another arc here, and then you will see we've got 2 intersections here and here. So if I draw a little line there, just do it as much as I can on my page, through there. I've gone a bit, probably should be slightly to the right there, but everything along this line is the same distance from A as it is from B. So if we measure that, so you see it's about 8.6 centimeters, and my line is exactly 4.3 there. Okay, I can pick out other points on the line there as well if I want to check. So if I was to go up to the sort of top there, that would be about 6.4 centimeters there from B. It should be 6.4 centimeters from A as well, which it's about that. Okay. Okay, our final question then, this is another AQA question. So we've got a ship here that's closer to X than Y, and it's less than 11 kilometers from Y. Now we've got this scale here that's 2 kilometers. So that means it's got to be less than 5.5 centimeters from Y on the actual diagram here. I think what I'm going to start with here though is do the X and Y first. So distance between those two is around about 7.7. So I'm going to set my compass at 4 centimeters, I think, for this one, to do my perpendicular bisector. So there we go. So if I draw my arc from just up there, and then just below there, and if I go over here, same again. So everything along this line is basically the halfway point between X and Y. So everything to the left is closer to X. But we need to make sure it's also 11 kilometers from Y. So we need to reset our compass here to 5.5 centimeters. That's going to be there. So if I set that from Y there, and you will see that everything here, inside, past this left sort of line here, everything here is going to be closer to X than Y, because it's to the left of this line, but also within that 11 kilometer radius from point Y. And that is it for this video. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope this has been useful. Thank you. Bye bye.